Hey everybody, hope you guys are all healthy and safe. This is the ROG Phone 8 Pro, a gaming phone from ASUS. And as you can see, it comes in an awesome packaging. This is not just a typical box though. It will come into play later when I boot up the phone. I like the new design of the ROG Phone 8. It still has a gaming phone vibe, it still has an LED light strip, but it has a more understated look and feel. It also has a new main camera with a Sony IMX890 that's built on top of a gimbal. The box also houses a bunch of accessories, such as this pouch. That's for the fan. It's called the Aero Active Cooler X, and you clip it onto the back of the phone and it will provide external cooling via a fan, and also add two shoulder trigger buttons. The fan also has a mini kickstand at the bottom that will prop up the ROG Phone 8 Pro, so it's perfect if you want to watch YouTube videos while having lunch. There's also a 65-watt charging brick with a USB-C cable that tops up the 5,500 mAh battery. That's not all. You have one more hidden component down below that houses a SIM ejector tool and a case. The case is made of plastic and it clips onto the back of the phone. You'll see that it leaves the middle open. That's for the fan to clip on, and also the LED light strip. The LED light strip is pretty cool. You can use it as an always on display, so it'll display the time, and when you're charging the phone, it will show you the percentage of the charge. As is usually the case with ROG Phone, when you first boot up the device, you're treated to a really fun mini game that also uses the box. Check out the speakers of the phone though.
Supernova's from ROG and the world's in peril. We require your hacking prowess to reset the API and bring peace back to the ROG city.
The minigame is quite interactive. It wants you to tap the back of the phone onto the box, where the NFC sensor will pick up the signal and then you will gain a weapon. The weapon's going to come in handy because you're going to play a first-person shooting game that will take advantage of the touch-sensitive sensors on the top of the phone, or the right side if you're holding the phone upright. After you're done, you have to flip the phone around, plug into that slot to collect your high score. I mean, is all this necessary? No, but is it fun? Hell yeah! Elsewhere, the phone runs on the highest tier components. Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, it's overclocked a little bit, so it will score higher in benchmarks than the same chip in other phones. You also have a 6.8-inch OLED display. LTPO panel will refresh rate up to 165 Hz. You have a triple camera system that covers the ultra wide, wide, and telephoto zoom range. The main camera, like I said, has a gimbal stabilizer. You can get up to 24 gigs of RAM or 1 terabyte of storage, and the phone has IP68 water and dust resistance and supports wireless charging too. So the ROG Phone 8 Pro is an absolute beast of a phone. As usual, I'll be back with a full review.